Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share Spotify Wrapped 2022 on Messenger. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the store that you are going to use to download the Messenger and even the Spotify on your phone if you don't have it. Of course, you can use the Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that or do that, simply just go and open your Spotify application, and of course you'll need to be logged in already into your account. So of course, if you are not, just go and log in into your account, or you can just go and create your account if you don't have one. It will be really simple. So of course, when you do that, you will find this as your home or as your main screen, and of course you'll find your Spotify 22 or Wrap 2022 here. So of course, if you didn't find it, I have solutions for that. If you want the details, go and check this channel out. I already make 3 tutorials about that, so make sure to go and check them out. Of course, if you don't want the details, I can just tell you the solutions. First of all, you will need to go and check for updates on your store. Second of all, you will need to restart your phone, of course turn it off and then turn it on. And the third option is just to go and clear the cache on your Spotify account. And if you do all of this, make sure that you will find the Spotify Wrapped 2022 now when you open your Spotify. So once you open it and find it, just go and click at play, and of course you will find your 2022 Spotify Wrapped right here. Of course, some of those stories are not shareable, like this first one, but the second one is actually shareable. So once you play it and wait a bit until it's past a bit of time of that story, you will find an option that share the story at the bottom. As you can see, here is it appears. So let me just go and click on that. As you can see, you will have here a lot of options, and as you can see, here is our Messenger option. So just go and click on that. Please log in again, your session is expired. So okay, for me, I'm not going to log in again. Simply, you will need just to go and click add at your story. As you can see, it's at the top, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.